How to turn on or turn off noise cancellation for the Beats Studio 3 on the iPhone 16 series. So first let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we go down and tap on Bluetooth. Now if you see the Beat Studio at the top here, this is as a shortcut. Sometimes it will appear at the top here, sometimes it won't. So if it does not, you can tap on Bluetooth, then tap on the information button or the information icon right next to your Beat Studio. In here, if you want to turn off the noise cancellation, you can select off. Or if you want to use noise cancellation, you can select noise cancellation. And that's it. So select your option and then swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.